Hey guys, Ina Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to be doing a different kind of video. I'm going to be reviewing and swatching Jaclyn Hill collection, and today I'm going to be swatching Bling Boss palette. I have all four of them, all full four palettes, so I'm going to go in depth with each one of them, and they're going to be 4 different videos. So if you want to see a palette in particular, then make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll be notified when I'm uploading my next video. I'm going to be doing a different kind of swatches today and testing, and what I'm planning is to do it to apply it directly on my eyes for you guys to see how they behave on the eye, because I always say the hand swatches online that I see, I never ever trust it. So in order to get a more precise idea on how they look like on the eyes with different base, because I'm going to put on one eye a tacky base, and I'm going to use as a base, I'm going to use the Lock-It concealer in the shade White Out. The reason why, because eyeshadows a lot of times behave a lot different when you have a tacky base underneath and when you had a set base when it's dry and you apply it on a dry base. Also, let me know if you want me to make a whole series with swatches like this. Let me know if you like them that way, or if you want me to change anything, and if you have any palettes in your mind that you would like me to test out and show you how they perform, then leave the name of them and I'll get back and try to do them as soon as possible. But let me tell you, this was not easy. My eyelids are crying to the gods because they hurt from testing everything. Hope you guys appreciate that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
Also, what I wanted to mention is that throughout the video I did not wet my brush, so it's all applied with a dry brush on the eyes. I'm not going to do many comments throughout the video, as I think this is all self-explanatory, so I'm going to spit it all out so you can see how it applies quickly and not bore you out to the death. So without further ado, I'll let you enjoy it and I'll be back at the end.
And all my texts are falling to the ground. Once again you tell the same old story. Yeah. Telling me should stop with all the doubt. Not having no illusion, you're gonna lose me. Finally I've taken enough, 'cause you're all delusion, plain confusion. Days are gonna get rough, but that's your karma, your karma. Time for you to suck it on up, and it's your karma, you're gonna learn just how to lose. Taking back the me I used to know well, that I lost somewhere along the line. You let me fall from grace into a black cell. But now I'm breaking free. But I can feel a change that's coming on. I'm shedding skin, the feelings getting strong. You're gonna learn just how to. What goes, goes, comes around, round, round. What goes, goes, comes around, round, round. What goes, goes, comes around, round, 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 round. What goes, goes, comes around, round, round. What goes, goes, comes around, round, round. What goes, goes, comes around, round, 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 round. There's no illusion, you're gonna lose me. Finally I've taken enough, 'cause you're all delusion, play confusion. Days are gone.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh. And the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh.
Like two magnets, we are drawn to each other. You just know how to push all my buttons. Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. You circle around me like the moon around the earth. Always ending with a kiss, I'm clueless. We pretend that we don't really care at all, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly I feel it now, all emotions, all that we've been. Yeah, we broke down, hit the bottom. We went so deep. You dragged me to the ground. You're the anchor. Oh no, I couldn't care for no other. Yeah, you're the game I wanna play. Feels and gold. I wanna play it every day till we're old. I know this could be wrong, but I'm tired.
And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them down below. I'm always happy to answer all your questions. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload next. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Always get up again.
We're like pirates.